In front of me is HUAWEI MatePad 11.5 2025, and today I would like to show you how you can turn on or off app notifications. Begin by selecting Devices Settings and scrolling down a tiny bit to hit Notifications and Status Bar. Now there are two ways to manage app notifications. First is to tap on Manage All section. Click on Search bar to find your app right away, or you can also select this icon here and pick one of those sorting options: most recent, most frequent, or A to Z. Last but not least, to operate app notifications from chosen apps, tap on blue switches next to them to block notifications, or gray ones to turn them back on. But you can also go back, manage your apps here. If you want to sort them, tap on most recent and pick one of those options. Click on one of your apps and either manage app notifications by switching them on or off thanks to this switcher next to Allow Notifications, or you can adjust them using all of those options. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!